As the plant's maintenance supervisor, there's nothing that gets under Jim's skin as much as seeing his employees trying to degrease tools, parts, and machinery with inferior products. It's frustrating, it wastes time, and ultimately that means it wastes money due to lower productivity. So Jim was thrilled when his Martin supply rep told him about LPS PreSolve. PreSolve's controlled evaporation formula gets to work immediately on contact, and it keeps on working, penetrating deeply, cleaning tar, oil, and grease off metals and plastics, and leaving almost no residue. Because who wants to have to clean up after they've cleaned up? Martin carries the full line of LPS Platinum-Grade MRO chemicals, including LPS PreSolve, and helps customers operate better by helping them choose the right LPS chemical tool for their job. Get heavy degreasing done fast so you can get on to other work. Contact your Martin supply rep and ask to get your free LPS sample today.